Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naresh. So till now in JMeter we have seen that how can we go ahead and add certain steps. We have seen how to create a thread group and then how to add the HTTP request, and with that how to see our results, right? And how to do an assertion. So till now these are the steps which we have done. But right now if you see an HTTP request, we are just hitting one URL. Okay, but it might possible when you are doing a performance testing of your website, it is not just hitting a URL, but to perform a particular flow. And in that, you have to see that the performance of your website is working fine or not. So for that, this JMeter provides us that we can even record the steps and flow on the website, and we can see all the recorded steps in JMeter. So how we do that? So different ways to do that. One of the best way which I like, there are different plugins through which we can go ahead and record the steps. So there is one plugin which is called Blazemeter. Okay, so if you go here on Google and you can just type Blazemeter and let's just give Chrome extension. Okay, when you hit on enter, it will give you the website of the extension for the Chrome. And once you click on that, it will give an option to add on the Chrome. I have already added it, so it's giving me remove from the Chrome. But I will keep it because I want to use that. And now if you see here at the top right hand side, there's an option here, right, for the Blazemeter from which you can record your scripts. Okay, so let's do that. What I will do, let's say I am clicking on this start recording, and after that, first I will open this website. Okay, so once this website get open, I want to click on this contact. Okay, and in this contact, let's say this is the name I want to give, right? And this is the email, so I will give any email here, xxx@gmail.com, and any comments I need to give, and then I need to click submit. Okay, so this is the entire flow which I need to check with my JMeter. Now if you see here, it is trying to record the steps. It says waiting for the content, and once I'm done, I can just click on stop button. Okay, and if I click on this button again, then you will see that it has already recorded it. I can give any name here. I can give name as my website test. All right, and here you will see the save option. I can click on this three dots and it will ask me that which is the format you want to save. So I want to save in the JMeter format. Okay, JMeter's JMX, and I will click on the save button, and it will ask me the domain. So I will give wordpress.com, it is a domain, and I will click on save. So it will try to export my all the steps into the JMX file. The JMX file is something which I can easily import into my JMeter. So you will see that here's my JMX file. So let me open that, or maybe I can click on show in folder because there's an extension like this. Okay, so let me just click on show in folder first, and this is the file. So I will just copy this. Okay, and I can just place it somewhere. Maybe I can place on the desktop. Okay, and this is my JMeter which is open. I will go to file, go to open. On desktop, this is the one which I have recorded just now. If I click on open, it will tell me that for the current project, let me click on no. So yes, so see, this is now has been open. Okay, so this is the way it has recorded everything. If you see here, there's a thread group. Okay, it's one user and ramp up time 1 period, and it will just loop count as 1. Okay, and in that there is a test controller which has been added. There is also the steps, the different HTTP requests. So it is a base URL. You will see that the base URL is given into this IP, and then there are different steps. I have gone to the contact, and then I have posted. So all the information which I have posted are coming under the method post. See, these all steps have been recorded by the Blazemeter extension. Okay, see, these are things which I have given, like my contact form ID, email, comments, action, and all those things. So everything is there here, correct? And in the end, it has we are getting the information. So the website which we got in the end, So this is the get operation. So everything is under post and get if you see, right? Because in server and client, everything happens as a get call or as a post call. So everything has been recorded. And before this thread group, you will also notice there are few more things which has been added. For example, the HTTP header manager, user defined variables like a base URI which has we are using in our script. So this is a standard way to write a JMeter program. So this extension has written some standard way to write the JMeter program. Then there's a cookie manager, HTTP cache manager to use the cookie to make it faster and all those things. There's the authorized manager also. So let's say if I need to put the ID and password, I can use this authorized manager. So the Blazemeter extension has done it for me. Okay, so this is the way we can write the performance testing of any particular flow on our website. And after that, what is the thing remaining is to do assertion and just to see the results. So, for that, what we need to do, we have to go to, do a right click, click on add, and then we can, click on sampler. Okay, so Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's add just assertions now and just listeners now because everything has been done. Like all the samplers has already been added. Okay, so if you go to assertions, there are different assertions which we can give. So we can give HTML assertion or duration assertion, which we have given before, right? And if you want listener also, we can add listeners also. So we can give view result tree, and let's add one more, which is the most common one. So one listener would be in table. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try to run this and let's see what is the result, and maybe we can just increase the number of users. Let's give it 3 users. Okay, so now let's see. So now it is running. Let's see in tree. All right, so you can see that it has started to execute that, right? You can see in tree also everything is pass, everything is okay. All right, we are getting response data, correct? And if I want, for example, if you see here that the sample time is 5178 milliseconds, so let's assume I don't want that anything to be greater than 5000. I want every request will not take more than 5000. Okay, so it will be passed. If it is more than 5000, it is fail. So what I will do, I will just go and do a right click at, and then I will do an assertion, and here I can give the assertion of duration assertion. Okay, and I can give here 5000 milliseconds. All right, now let's try to run it again. Let me remove all the previous results. Okay, now run it again. All right, now let's see. So this is 4000, it is pass. It is more than 4000, it is fail. All right, so you will see that fail here. Okay, you can see that, right? So it is failing here. So this is a way we can first record our scripts through the plugins and extension, and then we can use the same into our JMeter. I think that's it for all. I hope you have liked this video. Thank you.